Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to rotate the text into any angle in Elementor WordPress website. Here you can go and add a new container. Now let me add heading element. Change the color to the black and align it into the center. Now you can go to Advanced tab, scroll down, and after that click on Motion Effects, and then transform this one, and here you can see rotate option. You can use it and give a value, and here you can select the angle where you want your text. So if you add 90, then here you can see it one in vertical form. In this way you can easily rotate your text.